So this is one of the table legs that I'm working on for the Woku PB project. And some of them are going to have caster wheels and some of them are going to have leveling feet. But to mount the leveling feet and caster wheels, I made some of these little tabs with a threaded hole there, and I'm going to weld them in place, kind of recessed inside the table leg. But I need to hold them in place, but when I put them in there, of course, they fall out. So I need to come up with a solution. So the solution that I came up with was I made this little doohickey, and all it is a screw through a piece of angle steel, and it's the same thread count as the hole that I tapped on the little insert, and it just threads in right there, and then it'll hold my piece in place. So why don't I show you how that works? So I got my genuine speed square clamped to my welding table there, and I'm just gonna hold my table leg in place just like that. So now I'll just take the little insert that I made, and I'll take my little doohickey that I made, and I will screw that onto there to right there. And then that way, this can go in place inside the leg, and it won't fall through because it'll be held in place with that. I'll get it leveled out in a second, but that way it keeps it from falling through. So now that I have my piece where I want it and it's centered and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little tack weld. And that'll hold it in place, and now I can unscrew my little thing. And as you see, my piece is held in place because of my tack weld, and now I'll go ahead and finish out the weld so that it stays completely in place. Just like that. Easy peasy. I got a couple dozen more to go. Just kidding, just a dozen.